Guy David Hill here, the AI sales expert. I'm going to get you right into it right now. I don't want to waste any time. I'm going to share my screen with you and show you how to go build an AI assistant. It doesn't matter which platform you're using, whether you're using ChatGPT or whether you're using any of these, it's going to work pretty much the same. I'm going to do another video because we also use the two that I spend my time on the most right now are ChatGPT as well as Copilot's Notebook LM. Those are the two that I'm using. I will do another video with a comparison. By the way, in the show notes, I'm going to drop a link for you guys. We'll show you how to actually set it up. Right now, what I'm going to show you is how to start building it out and making it work the way you want it to work. Really, really important. Before you even start building anything, this is the critical first step. So I want you to look at the tools right here. You've got Gemini, which we use Gemini all the time. Primarily, I use Gemini for images. Does a really, really good job, by the way. Hack for you guys with Google YouTube thumbnails, fantastic. Claude is really strong as well for reasoning. ChatGPT, still, I know it's the first. Some people are like, oh God, trust me, ChatGPT is no joke. And I've got I've got a couple different assistants that I've been building for a couple of years now, since it came out about a year and a half. So I doubt I'm going to move away from it because it is so good and it just keeps getting better. Manus, next level. If you're interested, I can get you a code to get in there. There is a waiting list right now for Manus. It's for more of your complex tasks. If you want to build stuff, it's more of agentic type stuff. And then Copilot, again, we are using Copilot. So let me show you kind of like how this makes sense. So what you want to start doing is thinking about, and by the way, if you use this QR code, you can get access to our AI tools, all the AI tools that we're currently using. Right now, though, I want you to think about as you're building out your GPT, what are you going to need? And so the things that we use is our brand statement, which, by the way, inside the QR code right now, there's a template that I'm going to share with you on Canva, give you exact format to create a brand statement. It's going to, your brand, your culture, what do you guys do, who you are, your vision, your mission, all that stuff, really, really critical. Your content pillars as well. Who we are, again, what we do, what kind of a client we're looking for. All these things are really, really important as you're building your GPT, because you're building essentially as an assistant. You're giving it a brain, and you want it to, when you utilize it for anything, whether you're utilizing it for creating an email for you, setting an SMS, creating a follow-up, if you want an automation. Literally, if you use Manus, you can literally create your landing pages, your funnels, everything can be done. And if you're doing it the right way, it's only going to pull based on the information that you put in from the brain. It's not going to go off into the wild, crazy internet and start pulling all kinds of stuff that you don't want to be part of what you're creating. So that's why it's really important to utilize, as you're building it, these tools, your ideal client profile. Now, if you don't have all this already set up, then use ChatGPT to set it up for yourself. What makes you different? What's unique about you? You want to tell it all of this. Again, you're building the brain for your assistant right now. Any books, like if there's books that you absolutely love and you have it as a PDF, pull that into it. People that you look up to, like Russell Brunson, great marketer. So a lot of times I'll use Russell's stuff. By the way, there's a prompt in that QR code. If you scan it, I give you a prompt on how to create a prompt that pulls in Russell's style and Russell's strategy when it comes to marketing. So check that out as well. Different leaders that John Maxwell. I'm becoming a John Maxwell coach right now, so that's important to me. So pulling his stuff. Other influencers that you follow, you can kind of pull some of their stuff in. I'm not saying copy them. What I am saying is you can model some of the stuff that they're doing that absolutely works. So you want to think about that as you're creating your custom AI assistant. And I know I say GPT, I'm in a habit of saying GPT a lot because my main one is built on ChatGPT, but you can build them on any of the platform you're using. And so I want to start referring to it as your custom AI assistant. Okay. You want to also add, if you know, especially if you're in sales, what are the common objections that your customers give you? What are the challenges they give you? What are the problems that they have? Add all of that into your GPT's brain. Email, SMS templates that you already have. It will create more for you, but why not give it some examples? And again, use ChatGPT or use Claude or whatever tool you're comfortable with. You can use to create that content as well. And now you're pulling it into your brain. Case studies, great tool to add to it. Case studies of people that you helped, and it learns from this. By the way, your sales process summarized. If you have it somewhere, you have KPIs, you have everything that you use to grow your business and run your business. It should know. Website links. Now, the thing I like about using a GPT, unlike some of the other ones, is you can pull in website links and it will actually go through and read the website. I think that's absolutely brilliant. So website links, Google does that as well. Obviously, different marketing assets you have, you want to pull all that in. Any FAQs, my friends, if you have an FAQs, by the way, here's a high level hack for you, a pro tip. On your website, you should have an FAQs page. Really, really important now with AI and how it searches for pages, and it searches where you want to come up in the new AEO searching. You want to have an FAQs page. Testimonials, reviews, also really, really important for social. So people, social proof, and also any custom data, anything that maybe I didn't mention that you are like, hey, this is what you should be adding as well. Do me a favor, go drop that in the comment now. I'd love to hear what you're adding as well. And that's it, my friends. You need this, but before you start building anything, before you go out there and just start building, I would go and I would get all this information together so for yourself, so you have it ready. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go watch my next video, and I will drop a link below. But my next video is going to show you exactly how. I'm dropping it in the chat now. This next video is going to show you exactly how to build it. So 2 steps. Step number 1, okay, determine what tool you're going to use. Again, I'm a huge fan of ChatGPT, but they're all amazing tools in their own way. And then once you've done that, get all your collateral together, everything you need to start building out your GPT's brain. That's everything that's on this slide. If you scan that QR code, that'll actually bring you to our tools. You can download our AI tools. There's a bunch of other tools on there as well. There's also links to get access to some free trials. So take advantage of that. And thank you. Just want to say thank you for your time. Let me stop sharing my screen right now. So thank you for your time. And man, go out there, utilize these tools, start building. And then again, go to your next video for you. It's going to show you exactly how to build it. And if you just skip right to chapter 3 on the video, it'll get you to exactly where you want to be. Guys, don't forget, go down, subscribe right now. Make sure you're following me. David Hill's my name, and closing sales and helping salespeople become more effective is my game. Enjoy. Go down. By the way, let me just put this up so you, in case you missed the link, check this out. There you go. Scan that QR code right now. Scan that QR code, and you can download your free AI toolkit, all of your tools, prompts, instructions, everything you need to be super successful. Go down, subscribe now. Thanks again for your time. Have a great rest of your day.